So this is a walkthrough on how you can use Mote to add voice notes into any Google Docs, Google Classroom, Google Slides, or Slides file. First thing you'll do is go to justmote.me and you're going to click Add to Chrome. I've already got the extension added, but what you'll do is you'll click on Add and it will show up at the top here for you, as well as in any files that it will allow you to use. So first, let's go to Google Docs. What I'll have to do is I need to highlight the section I want to leave a comment, and I can click on the Add Comment button. If it doesn't show up here, I can go to the top and it says your Add Comment right there, or go to Insert, Comment, and right here you'll find it as well. So now I'm going to click on this button and you'll see a purple Mote icon here. And if I click on that, I'll be able to record my comment. I really appreciate how your pitch is very clear and concise. Just keep in mind that the milkshake is something that a actor might not have. So if you're taking this into consideration for your shots, maybe only you will have the milkshake and show that it's ruined, and your siblings will be people that will just be talking and having an interaction with you. Great job. Keep up the great work. So click done, and then there you have it. If other classmates don't have Mote, they'll have to go to the link to hear this. But if they do have Mote, then what will happen is it will create a Mote card where you can just automatically play that right there. And if I am one of the partners for John here, I'm going to click on here and I can go ahead and reply with an audio note or a text note as well. And if I want to specifically assign this so that John sees this, I will add his email at the beginning and click assign to. And that will make sure that he sees the specific comment I have given to him. Let's say we're using Google Slides now. The same thing can be applied in Slides. So there's an in and out. So if I highlight the text here and I go to add comment, I can add a comment and this would be the out. Meaning in the published version, people will not be able to see it. But if I wanted people to be able to see what I'm doing here, then I want to make sure that they can see the actual text. So they can see the text and the audio. So just to give you an example of what I mean by that, what I'll do is here, I'll click on this one here, and then I'll click on this and I'll go, an 8-year-old boy's homemade milkshake gets sabotaged and he interrogates his siblings to uncover the truth. I click on that there, it does its thing, and it's going to automatically make this here. So I can click play, but for now, I'll just leave it as is. If you wanted to restart it because you made a mistake or it wasn't clear enough, you can delete that. But now you can click insert, and what it'll do is it will add that in there. So you can have narrators record different things. You could have sound effects, but the purpose of this would be that it's on the inside of your slide so that your audience can hear the audio. So you can move that around, and there you have it. So it will turn to this purple. If you wanted to change that, you can definitely go here to recolor, and you can change that to black and white or whatever else you wanted to. And that's how we would use Mote for now.